Ever tossed and turned in bed, unable to find the sweet embrace of sleep? Or woken up feeling like you've run a marathon in your dreams? Welcome, dear viewers, to a space where we explore the mysteries of the mind and the secrets of sleep. In this video, we're diving into the intriguing practice of brain tapping, a technique that could transform your sleepless nights into peaceful slumbers. So get cozy, open your minds, and let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Welcome to Unlock Deep Sleep, a practical guide to brain tapping. Ever wondered if there's a simple, natural way to fall asleep faster? Well, that's precisely what we'll be uncovering today. Welcome to an enlightening journey into the world of brain tapping, a technique that promises to revolutionize your sleep routine. Our story starts with Jim Donovan's TEDx talk. Jim found himself in a crisis, battling insomnia and sleep deprivation. It was a wake-up call that led him to a groundbreaking revelation. The secret to good sleep lies in rhythm. Jim's life was a whirlwind of unhealthy habits. He was guzzling energy drinks, overdosing on coffee, and indulging in sugar-loaded snacks before bedtime. Sound familiar? These were the surprising culprits robbing him of his sleep. The key to unlocking deep sleep, as Jim discovered, is rhythm. Our brains have a frequency-following response. When exposed to a certain rhythm, our brain waves will align with that rhythm. This is where brain tapping comes into play, a simple exercise that uses rhythmic tapping and slow breathing to induce sleep. So what does this exercise look like? It's simpler than you might think. Tap rhythmically, breathe slowly, and gradually slow down the rhythm. It's an exercise that takes just 30 seconds but could transform your nights. But don't just take our word for it. We're throwing down the gauntlet with a 5-night challenge. Spend 3 minutes each night before you sleep on this exercise. And don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your loved ones, especially those restless little ones who could benefit from a better night's sleep. As we wrap up today's journey into the world of brain tapping, imagine a world where this simple exercise becomes a universal remedy for better sleep. It's time to take the challenge, and let's create a ripple effect of peaceful nights. Sweet dreams, and until next time. If this guide to better sleep has been helpful to you, do us a favor, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends and family. Together, we can spread the gift of restful sleep. Until our next journey, take care and happy tapping. Don't forget to explore our other videos for more actionable guides to a better life. Click on the subscribe button for regular updates. Good night and happy tapping. We'd like to take a moment to thank you all for joining us on this journey towards better sleep and overall well-being. Your support means the world to us, and we're grateful for your time and energy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Now we have something exciting in the pipeline for you. In our upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into the science of sleep, explore more brain-tapping exercises, and introduce you to some cutting-edge techniques for achieving optimal mental and physical health. We promise you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep tapping, keep sleeping better, and keep striving for the best version of yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Good night and stay tuned.